Well, what the deal's about is for Australia to acquire submarines that are powered by nuclear reactors in a trilateral agreement with the UK and US. At the moment, there are only 6 countries in the world that operate nuclear-powered submarines. So Australia is joining a very exclusive club. What it means is that the Australian Navy is now dealt into the front rank of global naval powers once it achieves this capability. And it's very difficult to see this as anything but a response to the rise of China.
I'm very pleased to join two great friends of freedom and of Australia.
Australia really is taking a side here because it does bind us much more closely to the United States in particular, the UK also. It's naive to think that a deal like this doesn't come with strings attached and doesn't come with expectations that were the United States ever to go into have a serious military dispute with China, that we wouldn't take America's side. So we are essentially taking a bet that by fully embracing the United States and taking its side, that will keep us safer and that will reduce the risk of war with China than if we were to take a more independent course. Now that to me is a risky bet when you consider the trajectory of China over the last 20 or 30 years and how much potential is left for China to grow much faster than the United States can grow. We are taking a major bet that the United States will maintain the resolve and the firepower to actually maintain its status as the leading strategic power in Asia over that time period. One of the big minuses for Australia is that over the last few years, there's been a great deal of emphasis on Australia achieving what successive governments have called sovereign capability, which is to say we want military capabilities, including submarines, that we can operate on our own. Well, this announcement today really blows that ambition out of the water because we don't have a mature indigenous nuclear industry. We are going to be heavily reliant on the US and the UK.